Welcome to my channel, Blessed Hands by Lillian. This is Lillian. Today we're going to do my final unpackaging of my last package that came from Temu. This is the third package, and these are the last of my bears that I ordered along with some other items. So let's get to unpacking. I still have to be careful opening the packages because of the bears and the plastic wrapping on the bears. But so far, I have been very, very pleased with my Temu packages. This is the first time I've ever ordered from Temu. Ordering these bears, and I most definitely would order more in the near future. Like I said, this was the first time making a purchase with Temu. So let's get to seeing what's inside this package. Okay. First one is lavender, and it has a fuchsia colored carnation on that one. I have red with the red rose on this one. I have three, I guess they're light blue, of these roses. And all of the roses, I measured them out the other day, and they're 9 inches. I think they were 9 inches. They were 9 inches tall. Here's a fuchsia color. Here's a white. And let me push all of these to the back so I'll have room to put the rest of them. Oh, I love this color. You have fuchsia, light pink, and white. Another one of the pink, lavender, or light purple and white. A red with a red rose. Another fuchsia and white. Well, I'm sorry, all fuchsia. I'm looking over here at the other one that had the pink, fuchsia, and white. Another fuchsia of that one. And then this one is like a medium color pink, because I already have a light. I think the light pink ones came in a couple days ago. And another pink, medium pink. Okay. Another red with the red rose. And I've been wanting the tape dispenser that I've seen a lot of people have in their shops. And so I finally ordered myself one of those. And of course, it had to be pink. So I ordered myself the pink one of those. So can't wait to put my tape and everything on there. Again, here's the box. And they have purple pink and a green. And of course, I got the pink of that one. And I ordered 3 sets of bobbin holders, spools that you put the long side into your thread and you put your bobbin on the top of it. And that way it keeps your bobbin and your thread together. But I ordered 3 sets of those. And when you're doing, it straightens out your seams. I'm not sure what it's called, but it straightens out the seams. So when you're quilting and you just finished sewing a 1/4 inch, you just open the seams up and use this to roll it, and it'll help smooth the seams down. So I bought one of those in pink, in a dark pink. And the last thing in this, I know I have a couple more things in here. Oh, okay. I bought some grip dots, and you put these on your rulers, and it'll help your rulers to stay firm when you're putting it on fabric and you're getting ready to sew with it. And these look like colored pins of some sort, but I don't remember ordering colored pins. But I'll check. It looked like it's a pin holder and then refills. So I'll have to check that one to see, did I order that? And then the last bag here is clear bags to put, mainly I got them to fit my t-shirts, but I'm thinking I might have gotten them too small because I'm not sure if the t-shirt will fit in here, but I'll see once I fold up a t-shirt and put it in there. And that concludes my Temu order of all of my bears. So I think I did, let me see how many bears this one is. This one is. Okay, this one is an order of 15. The other one the other day was 12, and I think the other one was 12. So that's a lot of my rose bears. And then I purchased other bear. Well, I purchased some bears in person, and then I ordered 24 colored bears. And it turns out it tend to match some of the baskets that I have already. So I have quite a few bears now. I don't think I need to order any more bears because I have more than enough bears. But this concludes my last Temu haul. So I want to say overall the Temu haul was successful with all 3 hauls of that. I did all 3 packages. I got, these bears are just what I thought they would be. So I'm very pleased with these last 3 orders. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. Like the video, comment on what you like about this one, comment on the colors of the bears, that kind of thing, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. Thank you for watching again. Have a blessed day. God loves you, and so do I. Bye.